I'm Philip Veerts. I'm the Managing Director of Printing International. I'm proud to present you our Caron ring system printing machine to print on cartridges for the medical device industry. This machine is able to print with natural variations of the product in different ways. First of all, this machine is able to evacuate or remove from the machine out of range products so that it doesn't block the flow of the machine. Secondly, it's able to measure and monitor the parameters of the product and the machine, and it will adjust itself to minimize scrap rates. Based on our long-time experience in medical device, we are able to develop and build the machine according to the very strict conditions required for the medical device industry. The main and biggest issue that we always have, and the challenge that we have in designing a machine, is the product handling. The same in this machine. We never assume that the product is perfect, so we have to cope within the machine with the natural variations. As the customer is involved from the start within this project, there will be no surprises. Nevertheless, when we have the acceptance of the machine, we will invite the customer here at our company to do some tests. During these tests, the performance of the machine will be thoroughly checked. We repeat these same tests when we install the machine at customer site. Of course, we make machines to run production on a day-by-day basis, 24/7, but nevertheless, in case of a failure, we are always available for remote support or support on site.